Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning. We are providing you free online classes for the betterment of your education. So let me know, how are you all? Good. Okay, very good. I'm also good. So in our last classes, we have learned about the festivals which are celebrated in Meghalaya. Okay, so now we should move on to the next segment. But before that, let me tell you how can you join in our live classes. Okay, so it's very easy. You should have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon for more updates. Okay. So, you should have to follow the rules of our live classes, and that is, you should have to answer the questions which is asked only in our comment box or chat box. And secondly, don't chat with each other. Thirdly, if you start chatting with each other, then you will face the problem while watching the video. And finally, there is a special request to all of you that you should have to note down the important points only after watching the video. Okay. So, in our previous class, we have discussed about the festivals which are celebrated in Meghalaya. Okay, here is Meghalaya. So, I hope all of you have understood the topic thoroughly. Now, here are some questions for you. Let's see. So, now, who will answer quickly? The first question is, Wangala is a festival observed in dash. Option A, Assam. Option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Option C, Meghalaya. Option D, Mizoram. Quickly write down the answer just before we have discussed. So, what is the right answer? Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the right answer is option C, Meghalaya. Wangala is the famous festival which is celebrated in Meghalaya. Here is Meghalaya. Let's move on to question number 2. Wangala is known as dash in Meghalaya. Option A, 100 Drum Festival. Option B, 50 Drum Festival. Option C, 20 Drum Festival. Option D, 70 Drum Festival. Quickly write down the answer. The answer is very easy. Wangala is also known as Dash Festival in Meghalaya. Quickly write down the answer. Yes, 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 yes. Quick, 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 quick. All of you are answering so quickly. All of you are the best students of Aveti Learning. Yes or no? Yes. So, the right answer is option A, 100 Drum Festival. Here you can see the drums are beaten by the people of Meghalaya. So, Wangala is otherwise known as the 100 Drum Festival. Okay. So, let's move on to question number 3. Wangala is celebrated by dash in Meghalaya. That means which kind of people celebrate Wangala in Meghalaya? Quickly write down the answer in the comment box. Yes, yes, yes. Write down, write down, write down. So, in our next classes, I will give you a particular time limit. Okay. So, within that particular time limit, you should have to answer. So, let's see. We will see that who will give the answer so quickly. Okay. And the right answer is Garos. Wongala is celebrated by Garos in Meghalaya. Here are the people who celebrate Wongala, and they are known as Garo. Okay. So question number 4. Dash drums are beaten together during Wongala. Very easy question is this. Yes or no? Yes. So as Wongala is known as, previously we have discussed that Wongala is known as the 100 drum festival. Then how many drums are beaten? Simple. Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the right answer is option D, 100. 100 drums are beaten during Wongala. Then question number 5. The harvest festival is celebrated in dash of Meghalaya. So the people of Meghalaya celebrate the harvest festival Wongala in which place of Meghalaya? Option A, the towns. Option B, the cities. Option C, the mountains. Option D, the villages. So, where do the people celebrate the harvest festival Wongala in Meghalaya? Yes, all of you are such a genius people. I just love you all. Okay, so right answer is option D, the villages. So, it's feeling very good that all of you are writing the correct answer in the chat box. So, I hope that you should have to continue this spirit in our next classes also. Okay. So now let's move on to question number 6, that Wongala is celebrated in the month of dash in Meghalaya. Quickly write down the answer. Answer is very easy. Just write down quickly the answer as you have written before. Yes, 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 yes. All of you are answering correctly. And the right answer is option C, November. So, this harvest festival, Wongala, it's celebrated in November. Okay, let's move on to question number 7. The dance during Wongala has dash parallel lines. How many parallel lines are there during dancing in the festival Wongala? How many parallel lines are there? Quickly write down the answer in the comment box. Yes. 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 All of you have writing correctly, and option B, 2 is the right answer. Here you can see there are 2 parallel lines. Okay, one is for men and other is for women, as we have learnt in our previous class. So the answer B, 2 parallel lines are there during the celebration of the festival Wongala in where? Meghalaya, right. So question number 8. During Wongala celebration, only dash beat the drums in line. Option A, the men. Option B, the women. Option C, the children. Option D, nobody. So you have seen the pictures. All of you have seen the pictures during the celebrations of Wongala in Meghalaya. So who were beating the drums in that picture? Only they can beat the drums. Okay, so who are they? Yes, all of you have given the correct answer. The option A, man, is the right answer. Then let's move on to question number 9. When the man beat drums, the lions move dash together. Option A, side by side. Option B, forward. Option C, backward. Option D, upward. While the man beat the drums, the lions move dash together in a rhythmic manner. Yes, when we are dancing, when the people of Meghalaya are dancing during the festival, the lines move dash together. Yes, and the right answer is option B, forward. Here you can see the women are stepping forward during the dance and the men are beating the drums. Okay, so the right answer is the lines move forward together. Let's move on to question number 10. Dash are the celebration features of Wangala. So what are the celebration features? Features means what are the important things which can't be left during the celebration of the specific festival. Okay, option A, beating of drums. Option B, blowing of horns. Option C, traditional dancing. Option D, all the above. I hope all of you have known the answer of this question. So quickly write down the answer in the comment box. Yes, yes, yes. All the above is the right answer. Option D. All the above. All the above refers to beating the drums, blowing of horns, and traditional dancing. Traditional dancing. Okay, so these are the main features of the celebration of the festival Wongala in Meghalaya. So students, this is all about Meghalaya. Okay, so I hope all of you have got the exact point. All of you have enjoyed this festival. So students, today this much, let me tell you, we are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aweti Learning. So students, we will meet in the next class with a new chapter, with a new concept. Till then, don't go anywhere. Keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aweti Learning. Thank you.